Shwabangin sedang ya ke khubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpet, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo kloy ki khubor na ke Jylla.
Mynta ke sngi ke tarik Risaw arajar arpuar. Bam smai Brigadier Dr Mishra retired. Ha ke sngi paar kum Governor ke Jylla Meghalaya. Brigadier Dr Mishra ubla longru Governor jong ke Jylla Arunachal Pradesh. Ha ke juga puar ula Shimti ya ke ne ke kam hadien ke jingkut no ke puar treikam jong Governor barim Satya Pal Malik. Haba iakren bat ki nongpathai khubor Dr Mishra ula iathuh. Ba ula wan iuhkjat teng ha ke ne ke Jylla. Ha snem khandai hinyo puwei ha ke puar badan katma Bangladesh. Gibelawan saki ha ke ne ke sngi ki kinthop. Yau Speaker Metbah Lyngdoh, Home Minister Lahkmen Rymbui, Sports Minister Banteidor Lyngdoh, Community and Rural Development Minister Pyniaid Sing Syiem, Legislator Saleng Sangma, Deputy Chief Whip Pyniaid Sing Syiem, Brigadier Officer Jong Sarkar.
155 and 160 of the Constitution of India. I, Dr Mishra, President of India, hereby appoint Brigadier Dr Mishra, retired, Governor of Arunachal Pradesh, to discharge the functions of the Governor of Meghalaya with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Given at Retd on New Delhi, this first day of October in the year 2022, 9th as Visna 1944 Saka in the 73rd year of the Republic of India.
I, Brigadier Dr Mishra, retired, do swear in the name of God that I will faithfully discharge the functions of the Governor of Meghalaya and will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law, and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Meghalaya.
With your permission, sir, the proceedings will now begin.
Yes, please.
With your permission, sir, the warrants of appointment will now be read.
Yes, please.
Salman God! Rajdat Salute! Salem Chat! पुलिस से 49 आदमी प्रेजेंट है श्रीमान।
गार्ड कमांडर, आपकी गार्ड बहुत स्मार्ट है, गार्ड को विसर्जन करो। बैंड मास्टर, आपकी बैंड ने बहुत अच्छा नेशनल एंथम ट्यून बजाई, वेरी गुड।
जय साहब। सलमान गार्ड बगल छत। सलमान गार्ड विसर्जन।
Long time back in 1971 war, this was one Kamzor area, and then we participated in the war and defeated Pakistan. It's a wonderful place, wonderful people, so good, so clean. I'm impressed, and I thank you all. Every person from Shillong, every person from Meghalaya. Thank you very much.